So you heard it. Jamaican international Junior Flemings got slapped with a 6-match ban and an undisclosed fine for, of course, the high-profile allegations of verbal and homophobic abuse against an opponent in a recent USL game, claims which Flemings vehemently and formally denied. So my obvious question is, after Flemings flatly denied these allegations, claiming he said no such thing and he used no form of abusive language towards his opponent, it then became a matter of the accuser's word against Fleming's word. How then did the USL make the determination that Flemings was guilty and what he was guilty of to then hand down a 6-match sanction? What kind of kangaroo business that? Donkey said the world no level. Anyway, as it is now, Junior Flemings is officially suspended by the United States Soccer League for 6 games, which will take him to the end of his current contract and the current season. He was also officially put on administrative leave by his club. Now, let me say this. All things considered, and when I say all things, me mean every single thing considered, I think Junior Flemings dodge a bullet. Yes. Make me just leave it right there, so. Leave it right there. Make me leave it right there, so. Make me just leave it right there, so.